Hi, I'm Craig Bonham. I'm your incoming chairman of the NTEA for 2019. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle here at Safe Fleet. We develop, manufacture, and sell best-in-class, high-performance, safety-related products to fleets and end users worldwide. I really became infatuated with vehicles in the auto parts industry and was approached by an individual that said, "You'd be a great sales guy. You've got to know more about the product than any of your competition." And that's what gives you separation in the marketplace, is being a knowledge-based source of information for customers. Had a great deal of success there, but also found myself finding a place of boredom, if you will. I've spent time on the NASCAR circuit as a weekend warrior. I found myself getting into the truck equipment business at America's Body Company. ABC eventually was acquired, and I set my roots in play at Redding Truck Body. It was a fantastic experience, fantastic company, but I was also on the hunt to finally focus on helping other people, since Safe Fleet is where I'm at. Many companies are involved in programs, and one of the programs that we are very, very committed to here at Safe Fleet is United to End Bullying. We owe it to our local communities where our children play, where they go to school, to stop this problem. We get our employees involved by participating in events or a coloring contest with kids. Those things make a difference. As I got into the NTEA in 2015, I've had to learn a lot and been exposed to a lot as it relates to regulatory guidelines, workforce development, the retention and employment of employees. I think when people leave the business, it's because education was not in the forefront of their orientation process when they started their job. This is a very, very interesting point in our industry because the tribal knowledge in our industry is just exiting because they're retiring. I want to leave behind a wealth of knowledge that I've absorbed over the years and give it to the membership. One of the things that the NTEA and a lot of the educational breakout sessions at the Work Truck Show has helped us with is to better understand space utilization, and that's a lean discipline. And what you see behind us here is a modular lift inventory management mechanism. That allows us to maximize the space and how we inventory our product. It's all about getting the product into the marketplace faster, all the way down from being able to find the right safety mechanism to a drill bit that has to be functional on a drill press. Those are the things that minimize downtime in the workplace. And the NTEA has done an exceptional job with not telling us how to do it, but showing us those choices of maybe how to get it done. That's the beauty of the NTEA. That's why I like to serve on the NTEA. It's the engagement, it's the people that makes it all exciting. Thanks for your support. I look forward to serving you as your chairman in 2019 for the NTEA.